Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. We love working with you and appreciate you joining us at BMC Exchange 2021 to hear more about how we will support your autonomous digital enterprise journey. Innovation continues to be our mantra as we build and deliver a modern and industry-leading portfolio with products that drive you and your team's success. We believe in the power and value of data in the enterprise and how it drives business agility and gives you actionable insights. As you already heard from Ayman and Ram, we believe the ADE is the framework for successful enterprises of the future. BMC products and innovations that facilitate the ADE journey continue to win market recognition and accolades from industry analysts. I'm very proud to say that for the 8th year in a row, BMC has been named a leader in the Gartner ITSM Magic Quadrant with BMC Helix ITSM. The Omdia Universe for AIOps in partnership with Trust Radius and GigaOM Radar for AIOps and the Research in Action Vendor Selection Matrix for Hybrid Cloud Infrastructure and Service Management Tools all recognized and included BMC as a leader in delivering AIOps capabilities. It is your feedback and partnership that has made our offering so strong. I'm really delighted to see customers like you talk about how they are pursuing their ADE journey. Maple Leaf Foods is using BMC Helix to rethink intelligent self-service and provide an amazing employee experience. And Videotron has deployed BMC Helix Service Management and Intelligent Automation to enable the Automation Everywhere capability. They are focused on being a first mover to market. Ericsson is also hosting a session on how they have adopted BMC Helix with a focus on business purpose by integrating service and operations for market success. For those of you interested in learning more about our BMC CompuWare portfolio to support DevOps, the Humana team is speaking at a session on how they have adopted DevOps to speed development and better serve their customers in the insurance industry. These are just a sampling of the exciting sessions that our incredible customers are leading to share how they are bringing the tenets of the ADE to life. Let's start with the topic of a critical ADE tenet, data-driven business. If you joined us last year, you heard how Navistar is using ControlM to orchestrate data pipelines across their business to schedule preventive maintenance and maximize road time to their fleet. And how Tampa General Hospital has orchestrated data across the entire network of hospitals in the Tampa area to meet patient needs and serve their staff and practitioners during the pandemic. In short, ControlM accelerates your journey as a data-driven business. ControlM is the leading automation product which gives BMC customers great value. And we continue to innovate so you can get even more from your existing investments. We just introduced an exciting new capability for workflow integration and insights creation. Workflow Insights is a new capability for ControlM that addresses the complex and complicated process of integrating business applications, data workflows across different applications, operating systems, data platforms, and hybrid environments. This helps IT operations and app dev teams come together and continuously monitor and improves workflows supporting critical business services. We are excited to work with all of you to advance the data ops agenda in your organizations. With ControlM, we continue to deliver releases of cloud data services integrations such as AWS Glue, Google Cloud Data Flow and Function, Microsoft Azure Data Factory, and other data ecosystem integrations such as Databricks and UiPath in the RPA space. With these integrations, data teams access all the workflow orchestration benefits of ControlM with and through the tools they are familiar and comfortable with today. Looking ahead, we have Air4 integration coming soon. Enterprise AIOps is another critical capability which is paramount to the success of a data-driven business. BMC AIOps covers cloud to mainframe and provides you with proactive insights and predictive notifications. BMC AMI AIOps and BMC Helix AIOps bring together two powerhouse solutions that combine intelligence and automation. Let's talk about the next tenet, the transcendent customer experience. In today's world, the employee experience is directly tied to the customer experience. Both customers and employees need the right content with the right context at the right time to have that immersive and engaging experience. BMC Helix latest release introduced new capabilities that make it easier for organizations to do just that. With the expanded capabilities of the platform, we shape an amazing employee experience with Digital Workplace Studio, or DWS for short, that allows teams to create an internal employee experience based on persona. Content and context can be customized for the user with the UI layer specifically created to support different business functions and lines of business within an organization. And when it comes to the external customer experience, there is power in the BMC portfolio. With BMC Helix AIOps and BHOM, you know what's happening before it impacts the end user, and you can identify root cause and reduce MTTR. BMC AMI Ops lets you monitor digital assets to proactively detect any issues before they impact customers. BMC AMI Ops and AMI AI Ops are critical to supporting real-time transaction across digital applications. When you open a banking app, you expect to see your balance and past transactions any day or night. The Bank of Central Asia, or BCA, in Indonesia relies on BMC AMI to meet this customer expectation and have reduced downtime by 66%. The next tenet, automation everywhere, accelerates the automation of tasks and frees up time and resources to focus on innovation. And according to Deloitte's Automating with Intelligence study, companies deploying new intelligent automation initiatives expect to increase revenue 15% in targeted areas and reduce costs by an average of 24% over the next 3 years. With ControlM and Helix ControlM, we are helping customers orchestrate complex data workflows across applications, system of record, and systems of engagement, and even from data sets generated at the edge. The result: increased simplicity in managing and using your complex data pipelines for agility, speed, and increased differentiation from your competition. We recently completed our first major enhancement to Helix ControlM, and it went off flawlessly, helping customers stay focused on delivering agility with automation and orchestration while we managed the update process in the background. We continue to see strong interest and growing success from new customers who are taking advantage of our true SaaS offer, which really complements the customers who are reaping the benefits of their on-premise ControlM investment. Ayman shared some exciting examples of customers like Grupo Aspiag, Carrefour, and ING Bank Slaski adopting intelligent automation with the orchestration of complex data pipelines using ControlM. Putting intelligent automation into practice in traditional cloud-based and hybrid enterprise service management and monitoring AIOps solutions promotes quicker problem solving and reduces redundancy, allowing employees to refocus their efforts on value-added tasks. Beyond line item cost saving, there is also material benefits to the business. And the value of automation spans all industries. BMC Helix for Communication Service Providers, or BMC Helix for CSPs, is a new offering that provides critical intelligent service assurance solutions that meet CSP requirements today with the scalability and modularity to meet future needs. It delivers 360-degree service assurance with zero-touch knock. All from the Helix platform that combines AIOps with intelligent automation in a single pane of glass. Now, every CSP customer can develop and deliver differentiated services to gain a competitive advantage. The ability to move quickly comes easily for every data-driven business with widespread automation. Another enabler of speed and agility comes from enterprise DevOps. The State of DevOps report shows that roughly 80% of organizations are stuck in the middle when it comes to their DevOps journey, with 58% saying they have multiple handoffs between teams to get to deployment. True DevOps means many more changes more often. For successful DevOps, BMC bridges the gap between going fast dev and compliance governance ops to deliver business agility at scale. Carfax, a leading source of vehicle history and information for cars in North America, uses data from over 100,000 sources to help customers buy, sell, service, and maintain their vehicles. Extending dev and ops collaboration with Job as Code and ControlM automation API, they have reduced production time from months to minutes and have freed up time to focus on big transformation initiatives. Our ControlM customers find the new ControlM Python client an easy-to-use tool which offers automation, integration with data science and data engineering tools, as well as open source code. And of course, ControlM's automation API for Job as Code, you can support data pipeline orchestration programming workflows out of the box. BMC CompuWare Topaz Total Test lets you shift left and helps you go on the modern mainframe journey. At the heart of the DevOps and operations movement, our latest release for DevOps enables mainframe developers and testers of all skill levels to shift left with automated testing for mainframe applications. This helps you break down silos and enables teams to shift left operations and data management responsibilities to developers. The last, but definitely not least ADE tenant is adaptive cybersecurity. BMC Helix offers a secure, compliant platform with reliability. And ControlM gives you peace of mind in orchestrating the data workflows while adhering to regulatory requirements. For even greater reassurance, BMC AMI Security is your virtual security expert, built with decades of mainframe hacking expertise delivered out of the box. With ongoing innovations delivered quarterly to support your mainframe security needs, the BMC AMI portfolio can be your best friend on the ADE journey. Coupled with our partner ecosystem, we are committed to supporting your investments with security, compliance, and governance. The BMC Roadmap is a continuation of working with you to deliver innovation and value. Over the next 18 months, we will focus on 3 themes. Theme 1 is about increasing value across all your IT investments. With Helix AI Service Management and AI Ops converging into Service Ops, we will continue to expand and enhance offerings for service performance and reliability with real-time resource optimization and proactive expansion, real-time incident management for DevOps and product teams. We'll also continue investing in ControlM to deliver Airflow client, as well as expanded managed file transfer capabilities to accelerate hybrid cloud data operations and continuous delivery of ControlM and BMC Helix ControlM cloud services and applications integrations will support DevOps with automation and job as code. We are also extending BMC AMI AIOps by adding new data sources for early detection of issues across all key systems to improve mainframe resilience. Theme 2 focuses on supporting lines of business and vertical industries. We are expanding our support for enterprise service management use cases within business functions, such as HR, facilities, legal, finance, and more. And we are doing this by adding expanded Helix capabilities for business teams to use DWS and tie it to workflow and automation. We continue to invest in mainframe DevOps for faster and quality app development and delivery, including new extensions for Microsoft VS Code. And for all of you BMC AMI security users, we are extending BMC AMI security capabilities and beefing up mainframe threat intelligence and automated security incident response. The third theme is all about doubling down on the Helix platform, which is the foundation for future applications. We are doing that by expanding the platform services and integrations such as data ingestion, automation, and workflow, all powered by AI ML. We just announced the acquisition of Streamweaver. Streamweaver has rich capabilities to integrate cloud and on-prem data sources that will further accelerate the Helix AI Ops roadmap to enable data-driven business and great customer experience. And BMC AMI Ops integrations like Discovery for mainframe and Helix Discovery provides a comprehensive application mapping and insights. We will further extend the #1 ControlM automation platform via workflow insights and data ops capabilities like Python support for data engineers, MLOps interventions, and comprehensive AWS, Azure, Google, and public cloud integrations. Our vision goes far beyond the next 18 months. Every organization has technology solutions in play that support the path to an ADE. And we are here to help you accelerate your journey. BMC has evolved with our customer needs to provide the solution capabilities for enterprise service management, operational management, data services from mainframe to the cloud, and ControlM automation platform with differentiated capabilities across our portfolio of offerings. And BMC's intelligence-driven automation solution spans all IT environments to support data sharing and data operations from mainframe to the cloud. A unique differentiator is the unified platform for engagement, observability, and actionability that comes alive with BMC's offerings for operational management and data ops. This layer supports the spectrum of automation across the enterprise for a true evolution to data operations. And we know that BMC cannot and should not deliver every technology solution for each of the differentiated capabilities across the tenants. That is why we have a strong partner network from integrations to services to support your journey to an ADE. I am so excited for what's ahead. Over the next 2 days, as we hear from some of our most innovative customers on their ADE journey. In addition, there are some great panel discussions, and you will really get an in-depth view of all the differentiated capabilities BMC solutions have to offer. We are so proud and thankful to be on this journey with you. Enjoy the rest of the show.